Good afternoon, partners. Good afternoon, Ujjwal. Good afternoon, Chandrasekhar. First of all, on a Saturday or non-working day, thanks everybody for giving their time to make some of the dreams of some people come true. जिसमें से सबसे बड़ा सपना तो मेरा ही है. It's my biggest dream is at least every partner working with Prudent should double their SIP numbers in the next 1 year. Okay, I think it's a very difficult job, a very hard job, but it's a very easy one. Today, if you see in the 100 SIP Club, I have posted one of the partners' achievement. He has crossed 500 crores yesterday of AUM, a single partner. And I still remember spending time with this partner when he just started his career in Prudent. He was very skeptical in leaving his existing job and starting as a partner full time. The kind of discussions we used to have for hours, okay, hours and hours, sir, is it a right move? Should I do this? And today at 500 crores, that gives immense enjoyment, immense pleasure, immense, the journey from where we started around. And I personally have joined Prudent in 2006. I still remember we were at 5,000 crores of AUM. That time we thought it was a very big achievement. I even still remember that some of the senior management had their dreams of Prudent reaching 10,000 crores as an AUM. Today 1 lakh crossed, and only be possible just because of all your participation. Okay, even on a Saturday 76 partners till now have joined. This is, and majority of these partners are those people who have already reached some goal and already have achieved something but still want to learn and double their AUM, double their numbers. That's the immense pleasure. That's what we are talking about. Today we have with us Mr. Chandrasekhar and Mr. Ujjwal Sharma. Chandrasekhar, I think 99% of the people already know. We have been communicating a lot. He's taking care of AP and Telangana for Nippon India Mutual Fund. And we are first time, I personally am very honored to have somebody with us who takes care of an entire segment for Pan India called as SIP. This person practically heads my favorite topic for entire India for Nippon, and he has been in this industry since 1999. And still, I was reading 1999. I was reading, I think, physiology and anatomy at that point of time. It's a very different topic. I'll talk about later. But I was in college. What I mean to say, and he has been into this industry, taking care of investment, serving channel, different channels. Ujjwal, even before we start, please share your experience, how this entire vertical looks for you. What is the industry, where it is going? What is the future of our industry?
See, Kapil, as what you said, your relationship with Prudent is since 2006, right?
Yeah.
My relationship and my journey with Prudent started in 2002, if I'm not wrong,
मेरे से वो
2002,
4 साल सीनियर.
2003. Right. That time, the Prudent was a small, office, and Sanjay Bhai has left his job of a CFO, and he's been a chartered accountant and a very great person indeed. And with a very beautiful thought, he started his this business. And I think today it's what we see is somewhat we have achieved the milestone that it was there in the mind. And you're talking about 1 lakh kind of an AUM. I think the journey is long to go. And when I started my career in 1999, I think uh, we were telling people, partners and the people that mutual fund sahi hai, mutual fund sahi hai, mutual fund sahi hai. Today everybody knows that mutual fund sahi hai. And that's a great things. My journey, I remember a lot of time we had a presentations and we used to tell people that Sensex 20,000 cross kar jayega. So people used to laugh on us. क्या मजाक कर रहे हो, क्या बात कर रहे हो. But today Nifty is more than 2004, sorry, 24,000 plus. Correct. So it's a time, and India is a very fastest growing economy, and I believe the best part of the Indian economy is the demographic profile. So we have a lot many younger population which going to be get into the work. And I think everyone from the people who have been graduated and people who are working, they understand that if you want to create a wealth, saving is not only the option. it is more beyond the saving that person have to create the wealth. And I think mutual fund in last almost last 30 years has remarkably has given an extraordinary performance. And I take this opportunity to share with everyone, if somebody talks about the performance of mutual fund, so a worst performing fund on the equity front might have given 16% kind of a return, and the best performing fund over the last 30 years, I think it has given somewhere around 23% return. So what is there? 16%, 23% kind of a return, last 30 years plus kind of an experience that people have created the wealth. And that is what I see generally. And when I talk about SIP, I think SIP, since my own wealth creation, if I talk about whatever I am today, it's all because of the right investment of my monthly in the SIP form. Whether means all my plans for my daughter, for my son, for my future home, or whatever I have done, whatever I have achieved on the financial front, I think the SIP is the best thing what has helped me. I remember, Kapil, to share with you, I joined in 99. That was an IT boom. I think that was a tech boom all across the world. And in that boom, everyone carried away. Like as of now, also everyone is carried away. Like for last 4 5 years, people have not seen the negative returns over the period of a time. So everyone was carried away, and so was I. I was a very young guy at that moment of a time. For me, it's like something what is happening, I do not know. So similarly, I had also invested in one of the IT fund which came at those time. That was Prudential IT, Prudential ICICI IT fund, 10 rupees NAV. And that was like you invest in 10 rupees, it's open at 15 rupees, you're making 50% kind of a handsome gain. So that was a thought process on the people. I'd invested similarly in that, fund. And unfortunately, the market got crashed. The reality has been in front of us. So, and the NAV 10 rupees NAV went to 2.75 rupees. So I have only one option. Either I should forget about the money, 2.75 rupees, I withdraw, or I need to look forward something best. What I did, I started my SIP, Kapil. And my best ever return, whatever I have got, is from Prudential ICICI. So I had invested in initial, I had invested 50,000 rupees. I started 2,000 rupees kind of an SIP. My first installment was went and the NAV, still I remember it is 3 rupees something that NAV it was. And that was why one of the best investment, and I carried that investment for more than 5 years and have the handsome return of more than 20%. So this is what the magic of SIP.
सर पर उस टाइम पे आपको ये एसआईपी का आइडिया किसने दिया था?
अरे उस समय चल रहा था, उस समय मेरा कुछ काम नहीं था, कपिल। जैसे अभी आपने बड़ा अच्छा आपका एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया ना, कि आपने पार्टनर्स को मिले, उनको 500 करोड़ का ईयूएम बनाया एंड दैट, राइट। सो मेरा मेरा सबसे पहला ऑफिस आता था, ऑफिस आके, और ये जितने भी पार्टनर्स हैं आज, मेरे ख्याल से आज भी जो भी अपने 100 150 पार्टनर अपने साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, एवरी वन ऑफ अस, I probably believe they have started their journey from the post office, MIS. So my job in 1999, 2000, what I used to do, I just came to office at 9:30. By 10:30, I finished my whatever the job was there in office, and I went to GPO.
Okay.
Jaipur mein, there was a GPO, and every big IFAs who's been today, you talk about Maluji, you talk about, Agarwal ji, anybody in Jaipur market, every partner who has been who and so of the mutual fund industry today, managing 1,000 crore, managing 700 crore, managing 500 crore of an AUM, they all used to sit at the tapdi at the GPO, and I used to go there. I used to meet them. I used to bring them in my office, and slowly, steadily, the things has moved, and where we are, it is in front of you. So industry is very much great, and I think the best part, of our industry, the business in which we are, is like infinite business. This is an infinite business. I'm telling all the guys who are listening today in this conversation, we are in the business of infinite, right? I do not know after 10 years, 20 years, will Mukesh Ambani will be the powerhouse for Indian financial market, or Mr. Adani will be there. I do not know who will be there in next 20 years. But one thing is being very much sure, I know that all of us who are in this business of financial advisory will definitely will be there, because money will going to be flow from us only, nowhere else. So our business is infinite business, infinite business. And one thing, Kapil, I just want to share with everyone, I'm a Gita Upasak, so I love God, right? And one thing what I have find that the business in which we are, why we all of us are flourishing, why Kapil has been flourishing, why I'm been flourishing, right? Whatever the wealth I have created over a period of a time, this is all I have created because we are doing something good for others. So in our Veda, there is a very good sloka. I just narrate into the English that whoever so help a person in creating the wealth for the noble cause, his or her wealth is always grow and grow, and million of times. That was a shloka in Shastra of ours. So
सर
we
आई
did not
थिंक
have to do anything.
ये
हाँ,
फ्रेम करके हर एक
हाँ,
पार्टनर्स
मैं
को
आपको
गिफ्ट
दूंगा,
करना
मैं
चाहिए.
आपको दूंगा, मैं आपको दूंगा. ये बड़ा सिंपल सा श्लोक है, बहुत अच्छा श्लोक है. एंड इट्स अ रियलिटी. आप सोचिए ना कि लाइक, इज इट आई हैव क्रिएटेड द वेल्थ? नो. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम कनेक्टिंग विद द पार्टनर्स. कपिल, यू आर कनेक्टिंग विद द पार्टनर्स. I can say that ki when I had started my journey in 1999, I was never thought that I was going to enjoy this kind of a life in my tenure, because I came from the very middle class family. Whatever we have done for the benefit of the others. And in the financial market, if you are helping others to create their wealth, boss, your wealth will going to be get created multiple times. And that is what happening. So the partners, what you are talking about, his AUM is today 500 crore, right? Maybe it's a 10 years or a 12 years of his or her hard work, whatever he have done. But eventually, what he have done for the others. That 500 crore doesn't belong to him. That 500,
करेक्ट.
he brought that these 500 will become 1,000 crore, 2,000 crore, and the wealth of his investors who are associated with him will ultimately, the cause is that. So, गीता में बोला है कर्म कर और फल की इच्छा छोड़ दे. राइट, तो हम
ट्रू.
सबको अच्छा कर्म कर रहे हैं. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ऑल 100 people वी आर कनेक्टेड टुडे, and thousands of people who are being associated with mutual fund industry, financial advisory business, whether it's a insurance, whether it's a medical insurance, whatever we are being here, boss, we are doing something great job for the people life. So if we are doing good, definitely good going to come to us. So that is what my journey of last 25 years, whatever I have learned, this is the what I can explain my journey.
ठीक है सर. फर्स्ट मेन the invitation what has been given to you and been called. So a lot of partners are have started their journey, okay, and started doing good SIP numbers, but after reaching a number, they are getting a little bit stuck. The number is not progressing. For example, the best of the best partners is reaching at a SIP number of 50 to 60, okay, per month, and is getting stagnant on that number. Okay, so what is that we can do to grow this business? And before even we start this conversation, sir, so what is the overall industry SIP numbers looking like, and how the things have
So
changed in the last four
I
five
have in
years?
my presentation, the overall industry today is almost close to, there are 10 crore kind of a folio, more than 10 crores kind of a folio which are there in industry for the SIP. As of the October numbers, industry, the overall monthly SIP book is 25,332 odd crores. And when I'm talking about 25,332 odd crore, it means this is the money which has come into the account of the different mutual fund industry.
Okay.
So there might be confusion among the people that is it, the money which is being reported, or this is the money which has been received. This is the money received in the account. So that is what. And if I talk about the SIP AUM, today SIP AUM of the industry is almost 13 lakh 30,000 crores. So if industry is today is 67 lakh crores, so probably 20% of the overall AUM is the SIP. So this is what the industry and the point what you have said, how to increase and what was the reason, uh, you know, why the AUM is not going to increase. See, AUM, when I talk about the industry has grown by almost 7 times, correct? We are at 67 lakh crores. One of the slide is there in my presentation. I'll just share with that. So almost 60.
Shall we go with the presentation first
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah, yeah, yeah,
then
yeah.
do the
Okay, okay.
discussion? I
I
think that's
just,
a better one.
I just share that. Uh, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Hmm. I just put it on the presentation.
Yes, perfect.
So, as what I said, we are in the business of a long haul. We are in the business of infinite. So, whatever the AUM you are being seeing today is a minuscule, is very small. What we will going to say, you cannot imagine. So that's the reason. And this is the only business can goes into generation to generation to generation. So a very great business where you just need to focus for the others and your business, your life, your family life, your generations will get into this business very easily and sail through in that business. So that is what, and I think all my guests who are being friends who are being part of this call today, uh, they can recognize Krishna as themselves because we all are the Sarthi. We are all are the financial Sarthi. And believe me, my friend, if a client who is 1,000 crore client or 100 crore client or a 500 crore client, even the intelligent best of the best people required a Sarthi. And I think we all are Krishna. So we are doing the right job, advising the right thing. And definitely, this is what I believe in this business is all about. And Kapil, as what you say, SIP has given the freedom to Indian financial market. So as what we are talking about the numbers of 25,000 crores, right? The overall ATS, if I talk about, is close to 3,000 rupees, of the entire 10 crores of investors who are been investing, right? So I think this SIP has given a freedom to the Indian financial market from the FPI. Because if you remember, do not go very long. Let's go to the COVID time, right? During the COVID time, Kapil, if you have seen, how the FIs has gone out and how the market get crashed, right? The way the market has crashed, right? And nothing has to be said. Today, the last 4 years, if we can see, the FIs has been withdrawn more than what they have withdrawn during the COVID times. More than that. And we are there where we are. Right. So earlier it used to be happen that FI have to go out and they again come at the lower price at the bottom of the market. Today, whenever they are going, they are coming at the higher market. So this is the freedom that SIP has given us, and I believe everybody understands this part. This is what we have been talking about. Friends, almost industry has grown by almost 7x. So almost 67 lakhs crores kind of a industry is today. But one thing I just want to share, and there is what the answer lies in the question that industry AUM has increased by 7x, right? But number of folios had increased by 4x, right? So when I talk about the 67 lakh crore, my dear friend, you will be surprised to know that out of the 67 lakh crore, almost 38 lakh crores, almost 36 to 38 lakh crore, if I'm not wrong, it's a equity AUM, which include your hybrid, your index funds, all those funds. Can you imagine what is the money that we have brought in into it, Kapil? Anything, what was the money that we had brought in? So 38 lakh is your equity AUM out of 67 lakh crores. What we have contributed toward this 38 lakh rupees is not more than 12 lakh 38,000 crores. The rest is all mark to mark.
Okay.
Rest is all mark to mark. So why this is like your industry has grown by 7x. Even I can tell you, there are a lot of partners who are there with us now and who have been in the industry for a long time. What I have seen that their AUM has grown, and that growth in the AUM in last 4 5 years is because of again mark to market. But when I see their the number of investors, I think they remain there where it is. Hardly there is a you know 1% or a 2% or a doubling is a difficult task. What I have seen in number of, I'm not saying that everyone, but number of IFAs whomever I have met, even the IFAs who have more than 500,000 crore kind of an AUM, I have not seen a significant growth in their customer base. And when I understand why this has happened, why this difference is industry has grown by 7x and the folio count is hardly 4x. So why there's a difference? The difference because when I go back in 1999, my dear friends, this is everybody, like everybody who's been there. When I go back in 1999, I believe the every partner which I have brought in into the mutual fund industry with Birla Mutual Fund. At that time, I was working with Birla Mutual Fund. So every partner which I have brought in, right, they all are basically focusing only on the debt part. Either they used to do post office, post office, SDFC wala FD. Either they used to do company deposits or the PPF, all these customers. And they have migrated these customers, the people who used to invest with them into post office, with them in company FD, corporate FD. They migrated all these investors toward the mutual fund investment. Slowly, steadily. They bring them into income fund, they bring them into equity fund. With every market rise, there is the hype created, the return generated, people start coming with them and they invest. But when I see that transition, means the CASA, see what I see, all the customers who are part of the debt portfolio, right? The debt side of the portfolio, which they brought into the mutual fund, into the equity market, hybrid funds, whatever. So, right? This migration from debt to equity has happened because this was their CASA, right? The customer was when I had started, means any partner who had started, this was his CASA and he migrated this CASA to this one. This CASA, because they have brought this entire debt customer or the customer who were investing into debt market, they brought them into mutual fund. Over the period of a time, their AUM has grown, right? But unfortunately, we have not focused this CASA to grow. And what we have seen last 4, 5, 7, 8 years, what I'm seeing, when you talk to the customer, when you talk to the partners about the debt, they do not want to listen. Believe me, friends. And there is a very good, line, quote is there. Debt is not the sexiest way of making money. Debt is not the sexiest way of making money, but it works. But it works. But it works. So I think that part we have lost around it, and that is the reason why. And that is the reason why I can tell you that is the reason why our number of customer has not. Because still, if you talk about, there's almost 2,25,000 crores kind of an FD which has been there in the market among the bank. This is as per the RBI, right? Right. So, and I can bet you if you want your south, any location of your south, you want what is the FD growth of last year 25 lakh crores of the additional FD has been grown. When I'm talking about 25 lakh, I'm not talking about corporates or anybody. I'm talking the incremental growth in the bank FD was 25 lakh crores. Who are these investors? Right? So here what they are being missing. Okay, this is what, the reason what I believe that the difference between this is that. Friend, this is what, the overall SIP numbers, I think this is one of the best thing that industry has been doing. And I believe when I see this number, Kapil, and all my friends who have been part of this, what I did, post COVID, SIP book has grown by almost 31% annually, right? So what I did, I had just plotted this graph for the last 10 years and the next 10 years. So by 2026, the SIP book, which is today is 25,000 crore, will be almost 31,000. And I'm the optimistic guy because I'm the part of the financial market. I believe this number will be more than 31,000 crore when we will be in 2026. So if anybody, any one of us, if you want to be a part of this financial market, if you want to be part of the mutual fund business, if you want to be part of the asset growth of a customer business, SIP is the one basic thing that you cannot ignore. And if you're going to ignore, then definitely you will not able to grow. So what is today is the SIP, is the lump sum of tomorrow. Let's understand in this. Let's understand it. So what is today is SIP. We are thinking that this is a lump sum for tomorrow. And there is a very thumb rule. I request every one of us who's been part of this call, let's understand one thing. I just created a one thumb rule. Correct. If I'm having 100 crore of an AUM, my SIP book should be 1% of it. The first thing to judge my business that I'm doing right or wrong toward the SIP business. So if I'm having 100 crore of a book, then precisely my monthly flow, my monthly input value of SIP book should not be less than 1. That is the first step to correct our business. If I'm 500 crore, my dear friend, 1% means minimum 5 crore. Minimum 5. And if it's not there, let's stop doing any other business. Let's stop doing any other business. Correct this part of your business. Increase it to 5 crore and look forward for other things thereafter. That is one part. The second part, to check this business, my request to everyone, and I'm not going to be wrong in this part because I'm seeing that this business will going to be grow bigger than bigger, right? And I'll show you the data again further. I share with you that, industry is almost, the industry AUM through SIP book is 13,30,000 crore, right? Overall AUM of the industry is 67 lakh crore. So it works out to be more than 20%.
Yes.
So if my AUM, see what we are the part of the market, correct? So if my business is growing as per the market, I'm doing very good. If I'm doing against the market, I'm not in the business. Right? Understand? Okay. Now, why I'm trying to say that? So if my AUM is 500 crore, right? My SIP AUM should be 20% of 500. Boss, industry ka hai na? Industry, if you understand, try to understand this, guys. This is a very simple business, and if we can plan this activities, if we can plan our business, if we can plan our thought process in this way, I can watch you. All the people who are connected here today will have super business.
सर आप बोल रहे हो 500 करोड़ के SIP बुक पे 100 करोड़ के SIP बुक होना चाहिए?
नहीं
500 करोड़ के AUM पे
500 करोड़ के AUM पे 20% आपका AUM SIP का बुक से आना चाहिए। भाई इंडस्ट्री कितनी है? 67 लाख करोड़। SIP का AUM कितना है? 13,30,000 करोड़। 30,30,000। So what is the AUM percentage of the overall percentage SIP?
More than
20%.
Yeah.
Is it your business also reflecting the same?
No. Sir,
No.
but
If
किसी का भी नहीं रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा होगा।
अरे कईयों का कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं कर रहा है।
तो मतलब 100 करोड़ में 20 करोड़ के SIP बुक है?
होनी चाहिए।
Oh my God.
होनी चाहिए।
No, it's not both.
इंडस्ट्री की है ना?
Accumulated
देखो
AUM.
सिंपल सी चीज है, इंडस्ट्री की है कि नहीं?
है सर।
राइट? अच्छा, आपका अगर 1% अगर आपने कर लिया, अगर आपका 100 करोड़ का बुक का, अगर आपका 100 करोड़ का AUM, उसका आपने 1% कर लिया,
1 करोड़
1% कर लिया, हर महीने का कितना हुआ? 1 करोड़।
1 करोड़
12 महीने का 12 करोड़ हुआ।
12 करोड़ हो गया।
2 साल का 24 करोड़ हुआ। मैं गलत कह रहा हूँ? हो गया ना 20%।
बट सर, बट आप वो बोल रहे हो 1 महीने में उतना होना चाहिए।
मैं एक महीने का, मैं वही कह रहा हूं कि आपका अगर 100 करोड़ का AUM है तो आपकी SIP की जो मंथली बुक वैल्यू है, दैट शुड बी एटलीस्ट 1% ऑफ योर AUM। करेक्ट? अगर वो आपने करेक्ट कर ली तो आपका ओवरऑल 20% एयूएम का ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ अ टाइम, आपका एयूएम जो है, एसआईपी का जो एयूएम है आपके 500 करोड़ का या 100 करोड़ का एयूएम के अंदर जो एसआईपी का एयूएम है वो अपने आप 20% हो जाएगा। और अगर वो 20% हो गया तो आपकी इनकम जो है ना, इनकम इनकम बॉस, वो रॉकेट के माफिक, मतलब आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो कि अगले 5 साल में क्या कमाऊं।
रोल्स रॉयस ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा सर।
ये सिंपल बिजनेस है यार, दिस इज सिंपल बिजनेस। राइट, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव दिस इज। एंड व्हेन आई से लेट्स, इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा हो रहा है क्या? इंडस्ट्री में एसआईपी इतनी हो रही है। सो ये आपके साउथ का है। This is the number of South. So RBD, what we talk about the alternate business, where PSU Bank, आपका cooperative banks,
So what does
Muthoot
RBT stand
Finance
for?
Bank, correct? Muthoot, right? All these partners, right?
आरबीडी का
NBFCs.
मतलब क्या होता है सर? मतलब ये
RBD, Retail Business Development. So we have a vertical in our company that we call an RBD. So they basically focus PSU Bank, all old private sector bank. They focus on your gold finance companies like Muthoot and all, and they try to get the business from them. Cooperative banks, right? So
okay.
what is this? Is the last month November SIP flow? Industry November SIP flow for your entire South, correct? What is the number? RBD means PSU banks has done almost 47,000 SIP. BND, which is SDFC Bank, Axis Bank, all these counters, private bank, they have done almost 81,000 SIP. The IFA has done almost a lakh, SIP. Correct? Now, the best part, ND, Prudent, NJ, Bajaj, all of us has done 42,000 SIP. Forget about all these part. Let's focus on this. 3 lakh SIP has done by RIA and 44,000 SIP come direct. 44,000 means 33 lakh 44,000 SIP out of the entire 6 lakh 37,000 SIP done by the investment. Means, what is this RIA? What is this direct? These RIA are the people who are looking to the SIP, but fortunately or unfortunately, we have not reached to these people. करेक्ट? तो बाजार है ना, मतलब आप सोचिए 50% बाजार तो वो है जिसके पास कोई पहुंच ही नहीं पा रहा है और वो अपने आप खुद से एसआईपी कर रहा है। मैं आई जस्ट सम टाइम बैक आई वाज इन जूनागढ़, नहीं सॉरी नॉट दिस यूपी, आदित्य योगी साहब का जो स्टेट है, सिटी है जहाँ से वो आते हैं, गोरखपुर। सो आई मेट विद द पार्टनर हु इज हैविंग एन AUM ऑफ क्लोज टू 100 करोड़ प्लस। तो ही सेड दैट उज्जवल जी आजकल मेरे को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है, पिछले 4-5 सालों से मुझे कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ रहा, आई डिड नॉट हैव टू रन अराउंड द कस्टमर्स। मैंने कहा सर ऐसा क्या? बोले यार जो भी ग्रो से एसआईपी करता है, जो भी पेटीएम से एसआईपी करता है, पर्सन हु स्टार्ट हिज एसआईपी जर्नी विद ग्रो, विद पेटीएम और विद ऑल these RIA model, the next SIP what they want to do, they look forward people like me. Because if I had experimented with grow with 2,000 rupees and I want to start at 10,000 rupees SIP commitment, I need a face. The customer need a face. Correct? I had experimented with 50,000. Correct? But now I want to create a commitment of 10 lakh rupees or 20 lakh rupees. I need a face. So the customer need the face. तो सर तो मुझे केवाईसी भी करानी नहीं पड़ती, वो केवाईसी करा हुआ मेरे पास आता है। And my dear friends, what I have done is a small aging profile. I have done a small aging profile of all these direct and the RIA. मैंने और किसी का एजिंग प्रोफाइल नहीं किया। मैंने आई हैव डन द एजिंग प्रोफाइल ऑफ दिस 3 lakh and this 44. So this 3 lakh 44 is the industry. Overall November numbers for the entire industry was 36 lakh. And out of 36 lakhs, more than 50% of the SIP come from the RIA. So this picture is not only for South, but it's pan India, it is the same. So when I did the aging profile, my dear friend, the age profile of these direct or this RIA people who are coming into this SIP through mutual fund is between 20 to 45 years. The youngest lot. The youngest lot. And when I see the aging profile of a lot of my partners who are having 500,000 crore of an AUM, सबका 50 के ऊपर है. Correct? Don't you think that this is one of the important group?
Yes, yes.
We are missing. So पैसा SIP हो रही है, हम नहीं पहुंच रहे. We are not reaching. We are जहां पहुंच रहे हैं वहां नंबर है, जहां नहीं पहुंच रहे अब वो अपने आप से कर रहा है. वो एज ग्रुप कौन सा है? आप देखिए कितना बड़ा एज ग्रुप है. 20 से 40 साल के बीच वाला एज ग्रुप है. एंड any successful business, if you talk about, if I'm into this distribution business, believe me, Kapil and every one of us, my target is to get at least a customer who are in between 25 to 35 age group, because this age group people growth will going to be multiply over a period of a time. My wealth will fast going to be created rather than what if I have been at 60 or 70 plus kind of a person. That is important, but these age group of people in India is much more important for the growth and the consistency of my business. This is Kapil, as you're talking about the dream, correct?
Yes,
Your
sir.
topic was to get dream. I think everyone who has been connected here having this dream that they should have this beautiful office. Correct, Kapil?
Correct, sir.
Huh? Every one of us, right? हम तो सारथी रहेंगे, बट जितने भी अपने पार्टनर है उन सबको ये दिलाना है. ये हमारा कमिटमेंट है. हाँ, प्रूडेंट का
Yes, sir.
कमिटमेंट है, कपिल का कमिटमेंट है, उज्जवल का कमिटमेंट है. हाँ, हम मारुति में जाएंगे लेकिन हमारे पार्टनर को मर्सिडीज में जाते हुए देख के खुशी होगी. करेक्ट. और हम मारुति में
बस
तभी
आप लोगों
जाएंगे
को
जब
हमको
पार्टनर.
चलाने देना है, हम सारथी है.
करेक्ट. और हम मारुति में तभी जाएंगे जब हमारा पार्टनर मर्सिडीज में जाएगा.
Correct.
Anyway, this is what our dream is. I can bet you, Kapil, if all the people are there in this presentation will remain connected with us till the end, they will have these two things in next 6 years. And I commit you.
Guys, I
Right?
hope you're listening. What is sir's commitment?
Double your SIP book. And this dream can only happen and achievable. Double your SIP book. See, why you required an office? You required an office when you are a young group. Why you required office? You need to hire people. If you want to double your SIP, how much people you can reach to? Hardly 10, 20, right? How many SIP you being as an individual can do? 50, 100. Correct? Just think if you add another hand in your business, correct? And you help him to guide and start doing 50 SIP, I can tell you, आपको वो जो कमा के देगा आज जो बंदा आप रिक्रूट करेंगे, if the person who you recruit in the sales side, right? If you recruit a person in the sales side, his salary can easily be sailed through if you do 50 SIP a month. And I'll show you the metrics also. So this office, yeah, tell me, Kapil, you want to say
So,
something?
sir, I have received this question many a lot of times from my partners. Sir, हम कौन सी स्टेज पे आने के बाद एक एम्प्लॉय को रिक्रूट करना चाहिए?
मैं तो कहता हूँ आज ही करो.
Okay, no holds barred, हमेशा.
अरे कौन सा स्टेज? क्या मैं 100 करोड़ हो जाऊंगा तो मैं करूंगा? 500 करोड़ का ईएम हो जाएगा तब मैं पार्टनर को तब मैं एम्प्लॉय करूंगा? अरे मैंने आज बिजनेस चालू किया है यार. So I will start with the hand, na? Because see, the moment if I have a team, right? The moment if I have a team, Kapil, Prudent ने संजय भाई ने अकेले चालू नहीं किया था. Let's understand this business. The day the Sanjay bhai started his business, he was having 10 people in his team.
Okay.
And you remember this. You ask and I know all those 10 people who used to sit there in their office. From office boy to चाय वाला, 10 लोगों की टीम के साथ प्रूडेंट भाई ने चालू किया. अगर ये सोचते कि भैया मेरा लाख का ईएम होगा तब मैं कपिल को ढूंढ के लाऊंगा.
It's difficult.
So this is what I do. जिस दिन चालू कर रहे हैं उस दिन से टीम बनाना है, लोगों को मिलना है. इट्स अ बिजनेस ऑफ कनेक्टिंग पीपल. Correct? Also कोई business है. So this is what I can tell you, that by the end of this presentation, everyone will going to double your SIP book. Now the question come how, right? The question come how we can double. अरे सब लोग बोलते हैं, everybody talks about बहुत double SIP book. Double. कपिल रोज आके पार्टनर के पीछे से double your SIP book. कपिल के पीछे चंद्रा पड़ा रहता है, अरे कपिल भाई डबल करो डबल करो. Right? Everyone is been talking about double. But how to double the SIP book? Let's talk on that rather than we discuss about. And if this is the dream, this is the dream. This can be done only through this. How? Let's discuss. So, if I talk about, let's focus only on SIP going forward. From next for next 20 minutes, let's focus on SIP. What matter in SIP? Out of all these 5 things, one thing doesn't matter is the scheme. आप कौन सा स्कीम चूज कर रहे हो, एसआईपी उससे मतलब ही. व्हाट डज एसआईपी मींस? द टेन्योर, द अमाउंट, द एसेट क्लास एंड द गैप. व्हाट इज द गैप? गोल अचीवमेंट प्रोग्राम. Right? So all these 4 things matter rather than scheme. And what we start focusing, यार कौन सा स्कीम में ज्यादा रिटर्न है, कौन सी स्कीम में हम उस स्कीम में एसआईपी चालू करें, वो मतलब ही नहीं. And that myth I can break in next 1 minute with you all. Just want to share this when I talk about tenure. So this is a wonderful data, Kapil. I think everyone of your partners should have in their office. What is tell about that? The moment you increase your tenure, your SIP positive return increases. So if you have a SIP for 3 years, since 1996, this data is from since 1996 to 2024 August, correct? So for 3 year period, there were 84% time that you had a positive return, not 100. So almost 16 times you might have negative returns also, if you have a 3 year SIP. Similarly, when you have a 5 year kind of an SIP, you have a 92% time that you have a positive return on the SIP. And after that, you never have a negative SIP. So any SIP which is beyond 5 years, more than 7 year kind of in a period, will never going to give you a negative return. Correct? So if any investment will not going to give, let's understand in this way, right? Now think on your part. If any investment done by you for the investor will not going to give you or the investor a negative return, then it will not going to decrease your revenue will going to be. Let's understand this.
Correct.
Right? So this is what. And 12% kind of a return, like anytime more than 12% kind of a return in last so many years is almost 90. So the more the period you stay, the probability of achieving the higher returns is far, far better. That is one when I talk about tenure, right? अब कितने समय के लिए करनी चाहिए? Lot of people ask. This is a simple answer कि कितने समय के लिए. How long, at what period that I have to start the SIP. This is, the generally people ask, and I think this question is much more relevant today, right? So market are all time high. It's good time to start the SIP. A lot of people talk about this. Sorry, now, should I have to start SIP? Again, I'm talking and pitching on only on the tenure and this slide. If somebody can take it a picture of it, please do it. Correct? What does it say? Let's comes to Jan 2008, 2009, which is the most relevant. Kapil, you came to the market in 2006, correct? So for
Yes.
you can remember Jan 2008 and 2009, the subprime crisis, correct? FIs has went out, correct?
Yes.
They have not sold as much what they have sold in October and November, September and October, correct? But they sold and market was fell down by almost 60%, correct? So Ujjwal Sharma started the SIP at 25,000 at the peak of the market. And similarly, the smartest guy has started his SIP because market were too high. He started at the SIP of 10,000. Remember, 10,000 is a Sensex, not Nifty.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
So 25, 10,000, number of years, correction tenure, almost 14 month का correction रहा. 14 month के बाद बाजार चलना चालू हुआ. The number of the amount what Ujjwal Sharma has invested is 20 lakh rupees, and the smart fellow has invested 18 lakh rupees. Correct? My wealth creation, despite I started my SIP at the peak of the SIP, peak of the market, right? 75.5 lakh, and the smart fellow is 64.5. Maybe the return is the higher, slightly with the certain percentage, but wealth creation is the far. So where is the difference? The difference lies when I started early. So the more the time I remain in the market, I will always going to make money. This is the compounding effect of SI, right? This is one. Now, this is another, this myth. I just said that कि 1 minute में आपको वो myth break करूँ. Correct? Scheme देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं. Right? There is no need to see the scheme. Right? What is important? Like, and I believe this answer will going to come to everyone, because I believe next 6 month market will remain choppy because directions are not been there. You know, Trump is coming into the system. Means a lot of things. Your inflation, RBI again have reduced the GDP numbers to 6.6. So we are in the problem where things are not being aligned as what are expected. So the growth engine will get slowed down, and when the growth engine will slow down, probably you not see the market. So either market will be remain in a time correction mode, like where it remain for a period of a time, or you may see a kind of a selling from the FPIs as what we have seen in last 2 months, except the November was also, or more or less was a negative by the FPIs. Correct. So this is what. So any SIP which has given you a negative return for first 5 years. What this data says, the first 5 years, if any SIP has given you a negative return, if you extend it to 10 years, your return will be far better than the top performing SIP at that moment. तो अभी सबको ये आंसर आएगा अगर पिछले 1 साल 2 साल के अंदर अगर 1 साल का रिटर्न अगर एसआईपी का नहीं बना, so probably the lot of, see, the reason is why this answer and why this question will going to come to every one of us, because in last 4 5 years I don't think that investor has come into the market.
Correct.
Right? Because these are all investors who have not seen this fall, who has not seen 1996 fall, who have not seen 2000 fall. Correct? Kapil, I just want to share one more thing here about the valuation, right? US market, I think everybody who has been connected in this call, everybody knows that US market at all time high.
Correct.
When I see the US market last 25-year return, it is less than 5%. It is less than 5%. Despite the market is at all time high. This data is available. This is what, right? When I see since last 100-year return, it is almost close to 9%. So it is below the last 100-year return of last 25 years. Since 2000 till now. Why? What is the reason? The reason was the 2000, the base year. That time the valuations, the market was at almost 33 times, 40 times kind of the market. And till 2013, US market has given a less return than the bond market. So valuations matter. Valuations matter. So probably this question comes to every one of you. Please take this slide with you and ensure that, boss, the moment the customer asks, अरे जो आप SIP बता के गए थे उसमें तो रिटर्न ही नहीं, बोले सर 10 साल के बाद इसी में ही रिटर्न आएगा और बाकी किसी में नहीं आएगा.
सर बहुत सारे पार्टनर मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर रहे हैं सर. सर बोल रहे हैं ये लेके जाओ ये मिलेगा ना पीपीटी.
सब मिलेगा सर, सब मिलेगा.
ओके.
Everything you will, right? Thank you. Janil. So this is what about the tenure, Kapil, what we have discussed. Let's talk about the amount, right? Now, Kapil, I'm just making you as a case study. Means I'm talking to every partner. Kapil is the partner. He is an IFA and he is coming to me. Kapil, tell me, I want to start SIP. What are you going to recommend?
आइडियली तो
मैंने टी शर्ट ही पहन रखा है कपिल, और बड़ा सस्ता वाला पहन रखा है. तो ज्यादा होप मत रखना.
हाँ, तो मतलब सिंपली सर देखो, मैंने
हाँ,
पर्सनली एक
सो
चीज
बताओ।
रिकमेंड किया गया है मेरे को कि अगर पता चल सकता है कि क्लाइंट का इनकम क्या है, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ योर सैलरी का है एंड आई कैन गेस दैट योर सैलरी इज बिटवीन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर डेजिग्नेशन एंड द कंपनी वेर यू वर्क, अगर समझो मैं ये गेस कर पाता हूँ कि आपकी 2 लाख रुपए की सैलरी है, ओके, तो आई शुड एटलीस्ट ट्राई एंड स्टार्ट माई पिच समथिंग अराउंड 10 to 15% ऑफ योर मंथली इनकम, एटलीस्ट आई शुड ट्राई।
मीन्स अगर मेरा 2 लाख रुपए का एसआईपी है तो यू आर सेइंग कि
दो दो
मेरे
लाख
को
रुपए
बीस
की
हजार
सैलरी
रुपए
है
का
तो
एसआईपी
20,000
करना
रुपए
चाहिए।
का तो एटलीस्ट
बीस
पिच
हजार
करना स्टार्ट करना चाहिए।
20,000।
हाँ।
And I believe a lot of partners are on this same page, may or may not be, but everybody is on this. But I am not on this page. I am not with you. Correct? Why I'm telling you? And when I'm telling you, Kapil, I have just experimented in my life. So again, I believe I've shown you Krishna Bhagwan. I'm the Sarthi. So what is right for me is right for my investor, and what is not right for me, that is not right for anybody else. Correct? So that's so now it is more than 4 years kind of a time. So my elder brother's son has got a job in Morgan Stanley 4 years back. Almost, it's more than 4 years now. And the moment as you see that they are in the part of the financial market, so whenever couple you see or anyone your partner see a guy who has just started his career, you always start pitching him. Are SIP kar, SIP kar, start SIP, start SIP, start. You start pitching him. Similarly, with that kind of an objective thought process, I also started pitching that, my elder brother's son. अरे बेटा एसआईपी करी कि नहीं करी? हाँ चाचा कर। अरे बेटा एसआईपी करी कि नहीं करी? यस चाचा, आई विल स्टार्ट इट, आई विल स्टार्ट. So what me every year we go to Jaipur on Diwali. So I celebrate my Diwali function in Jaipur. So all my brothers, brother from US, brother from India who has been there in Jaipur. So we all meet and we enjoy that one week. We don't do anything. We enjoy our life. We mingle around with our kids and the ancestor property we go. So there he said, he came to me, Chacha, ab batao, how much SIP, what amount, and in which scheme I have to do SIP. Like a scheme, I can tell you, but amount I cannot tell you. What amount you have to start it. Like a do one thing. Kapil, what I've told him, I do one thing. Tomorrow bank will get open, right? So we have a Bank of Baroda in our close vicinity. So I told him that tomorrow you have to go to Bank of Baroda, take your Aadhaar card, take your 3 months salary, take your PAN card, and meet the branch manager and tell him that I want to buy a property. Do let me know what is this, sanction, mean amount of loan will get sanctioned to me, right? And I come to me. So in evening he came to me. I asked, क्या हुआ बेटा? He said that अरे चाचा वो तो 50 लाख का लोन दे रहे. मैंने कहा साले तेरी जेब में 5 लाख नहीं है और 50 लाख का लोन दे रहे मेरे को. You even do not have a 5 lakh rupees in your pocket today, and somebody is offering you 50 lakhs. Like, what is the EMI that what they are talking about? Well, Chacha, the EMI will be 48,000. Like, start 50,000 rupees. I say. And that is the right amount that what you should. Because what EMI has been calculated, it is calculated on your future income. Because that 50 lakh rupees, what he is trying to give you today, the bank, the NBFC, who is trying to offer you 50 lakh rupees of a loan, he is been calculating that 50 lakh of your future income. Correct? And that when future income, you're talking about 50 lakh rupees, that 50,000 EMI is basically what he can think that you can easily give for next 10 years. Right? And I believe, Kapil, and you agree with me, wealth cannot be created without leverage. Adani ji is the best example. Correct? Because bigger loan लिए पैसा, bigger leverage किए पैसा नहीं बना. Right? So this is what I told him. He start doing 50,000 rupees SIP because you are not you are today living with your father. So you don't require a home today, right? Might be when you get married at that moment of a time, you required a home. So if I have told him that you start 10,000 or 20,000 rupees kind of an SIP, probably it was an injustice to him, right? And today he is having a worth of 37 lakh rupees. वो जितना प्यार अपने बाप को नहीं करता उतना मेरे को करता है. Correct. So this is what the amount is. And if I ask you, Kapil, if I ask your SIP book also, that is also less. If I ask all the partners who are there in this group and I have say that कि boss आपका SIP कितना है, कितना चल रहा है, boss go and check your SIP. It is less today. First correct your SIP, then go to the customer. Because every good thing start from your home. Everybody has fly in air, right? क्या बोलते हैं? मास्क पहले अपने लगाओ फिर दूसरे की मदद कर.
Correct.
Please check your SIP. I am again telling you, everyone who has been connected in this call, please check your SIP. If your SIP is less than what your eligibility from the bank to get a home loan, I think it is time to correct the SIP. You might be find the people like, for example, the another person in my family, right? My sister's son. He says that, Mama, I'm paying the house rent. Minus the house rent, that amount you should start. Minus the house rent, that amount you have to start the SIP. So this is what I believe that should be right. So, my humble request to every one of you here who is connected in this call, please, with folded hands, I'm saying to everyone, please stop selling 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Let's start. Boss, 10,000 rupees se kam mujhe SIP. If I want to start a journey, investor, बस आप सोचिए ना, लास्ट 29 years का SIP का रिटर्न 10,000 rupees invested is almost Nippon India Growth Fund, if I'm not wrong, it is 25 crores. 30 lakhs become 25 lakh crore. बस 500 रुपए की SIP चलाई होती तो आज उसको क्या वैल्यू होती है? Share you another example, right? There was I was used to manage PSU Bank, the RBD channel I used to manage earlier. One of our dear friend, I met a chief manager of IDPI in Bangalore, right? And fortunately, last year I met him into their corporate office. There I went to meet with the ED Saab. The new ED has joined, so I just met there. So he became the GM, and he just, when I'm entering the GM's, the ED office, he was just coming out from that, and he saw me. अरे उज्जवल जी आप यहाँ पे? मैंने कहा बोले यार जाने से पहले आप मेरे कैबिन में आइएगा, आपसे एक शिकायत है. मैंने कहा सर साहब की शिकायत सुन लेता हूँ फिर आपकी शिकायत सुन ले. I went to his office, his cabin. He says that उज्जवल जी, the only one thing which you have done with me wrong, आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? मैं क्या किया सर? बोले आप 7 साल पहले आपने निपॉन स्मॉल कैप में 2,000 रुपए की SIP चलाई थी यार, 10,000 रुपए की करा देते तो क्या होता? मैंने कहा सर उस समय आप 2,000 की नहीं कर रहे थे. अरे वो आपके कहने पे करी ना.
आपने मुझे 10,000 के लिए पिच करना चाहिए था.
तो साला मैं 5,000 की तो करता, आपने शुरुआत ही 2,000 से करी.
In fact, this is a very, I want to just share one experience, sir. आपको मालूम है ना, कॉमन अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट आता है. अभी एक बार OTP डालेंगे तो बाजू किधर किधर दूसरी जगह पे इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ मालूम पड़ता है क्लाइंट का, विथ अदर ब्रोकर्स. सो वन पार्टनर एज ए वेरी गुड फ्रेंड, मतलब वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ हिज, उनका इनके पास कुछ 20,000 रुपये का SIP चल रहा है और 5 लाख रुपए का लमसम है. तो उन्होंने उनसे OTP मंगा के कॉमन अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट जनरेट किया. तो उनको मालूम पड़ा इनका 7 करोड़ का म्यूचुअल फंड का पोर्टफोलियो है और 2-3 अलग अलग बैंकों में. तो ये पार्टनर हमारे सामने पार्टनर क्लाइंट को खोल के, सर आपने 7 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, मेरे पास सिर्फ 20,000 का SIP. तो क्लाइंट ने रिप्लाई किया, भाई तूने 20,000 का मांगा, मैंने तेरे को 20,000 का दिया, तूने मुझे कब बोला कि तेरे को 1 लाख रुपए का SIP चाहिए? तूने मुझे
I'll tell you,
या
just correct. So hold this discussion here. Keep this, whatever we are discussing, everyone, whatever I'm talking, there is a link for my next slide, for my next discussion. So hold this discussion here. This discussion will help you to understand how to double your SIP book in next 6 months. Right? So let's go forward. Now, again, what we talk about, the SIP, we need to broad base the gap. What is gap? Gap is nothing else but goal achievement profile. The problem is that we always associate SIP with equity and with wealth creation. Correct? Equity and with wealth creation. Or we talk about retirement plan. Correct? Let's talk about SIP with housing loan SIP. So if any of my customer who is having a housing loan of 1 crore or 2 crore or a 50 lakh, उसका जो भी EMI आ रहा है 10% of that EMI should be part of the SIP. And the tenure at which he will be there in that SIP, I can bet you with the 12% of return over the period of whatever the loan amount that he have to pay for, for example, 20 years kind of a housing loan, right? He will have to not have a 0% interest. So whatever the interest he will give, that additional 10,000 rupees means if we have a EMI of 50,000 rupees, he have taken a 50 lakh rupees kind of a loan. After 20 years, he have to repay 50 lakhs plus 50 lakh of interest. If we do a 5,000 rupees SIP for next 20 years, along with the EMI, his 50 lakh rupees come back. So his
घर फ्री हो
interest
जाएगा.
become zero, only 10%. So just think that I had started the SIP of not 50,000 EMI, my EMI is 55. Just think in that. Why don't we talk about this? Car loan is set. So everybody will take a car at 7 years. Correct. In 7 years, I can tell that even 12%, 15% kind of an interest rate. Let's have that EMI in that connect. At least some part of interest will get to be get. Now, a lot of my partners here are in part of LIC, medical insurance, car insurance. We are doing this, right? बस उसका प्रीमियम अगर मेरा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम अगर मेरा साल का 20,000 रुपया का है, so why not I can start the SIP of rupees 2,000 for calculating his LIC and my medical insurance. Do not do into equity, right? People do not talk about debt. I will show you the debt returns. I will going to show you the debt. In which scheme you have to start? You can start in liquid fund. You can start in short-term fund. You can start in money market fund. All the liquid which do not have, because it is all less than 1 year. But again, it is the share of wallet. Na? It is lying in the current account or a saving account of your customer. Why not it is lying to you? Why not? Why should bank should earn on it? Why should you do not earn 20 paisa, 25 paisa, whatever the amount? And I will show you. I will show you in my next slide. How can you earn the superb income from advising customer SIP in debt?
So you say, for example, every year I have to pay a medical insurance premium of say 65,000 rupees.
Correct.
For that 65,000, why not make a SIP of whatever divided by 12 into
Divided by 12 months.
into
खत्म
that
कहानी.
fund, and end of the day redeem and pay the premium.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. So I'm earning 7%. See, what is the return of last 1 years of arbitrage fund? What is the return of last 1 year of liquid fund? It's somewhere in between 6.5 to 7%.
Yes.
So, boss, you have not helped him to create the wealth.
Life insurance premium भी 93% हो गया 100% की जगह पे.
What?
Correct.
Emergency fund, school fee, correct? Holiday plan. All these are short-term goals. कोई 1 साल का है, 3 साल का है, 2 साल का है, बस आपको वॉलेट इंक्रीज करना है. You need to increase the wallet. This is what the gap is all about. So my goal is not only wealth creation. My goal is not only the retirement planning. My goal is plenty. And SIP is solution to all my goals. That's what I want to tell you here. Agree on. And believe me, friends, when I'm telling this, मेरा 4 करोड़ का loan है as far as term plan is concerned, apart from my company. So whatever the EMI comes, whatever the monthly EMI come, I have my SIP in that. I have a car loan, I have an SIP for that. I have medical insurance apart from the company, I have a medical insurance of 50 lakh rupees for me, for my mother. For that, whatever the EMI, the monthly installment which I pay, I have so every installment of my is going to clock in the month of February to March, because that's a period where we all bloody, all those days try to connect our, this, what you call taxation planning and all that, section 80C का benefit लेना. अब वो मतलब होता नहीं है, लेकिन वो उसी बीच में जनवरी फरवरी के बीच में these all started, right? I have the SIP for that. मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना, I have that SIP. So this is whatever I'm talking to you. This is entire thing what I have been doing for myself. And who is doing this? I'm not doing direct. I'm not doing direct. There is an IFA. There is a very good friend of mine, Rahul Chaturvedi, who manages my entire business, my entire portfolio. When I talk about the SIP, right? When I talk about the SIP in debt, was debt has also given superb return, right? This is Nippon India Money Market Fund, right? Since inception, when it was launched in 2005. Since then, it has given 396% kind of an absolute growth. Today, NAV of 1,000 rupees is 3,960. Is it not given return? And the return is one-sided. Nippon India Short Term Fund, launched in 2002, right? 105%, 501% kind of an absolute growth since inception. 10 rupees NAV is now at 50 rupees NAV. Was superb return. Where it invests? Only in triple rated and GSEC. That's all. Nothing. Why not I do put the SIP in this for my shorter term goal? Again, I'm saying, right? My shorter term goal. Correct? Similar, Nivesh Lakshya Fund. Now, you say, अरे पैसा बनता है क्या SIP? बॉस 1 करोड़ का SIP 3 साल के लिए रखा है डेट फंड में. एनी ऑफ माई फंड व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, फ्रॉम लिक्विड फंड टू अल्ट्रा फंड टू शॉर्ट टर्म फंड, the last YTM has been there, the investment amount, the return what they have generated, and here is the brokerage what they have earned. So आपका छोटा छोटा करके आप सोचो आपका वो डेट वाला बुक भी कितना बड़ा हो जाएगा. और वो हर साल कंटिन्यू होगा जब तक आपकी LIC चलेगी, जब तक आपकी जब तक आपका जो भी EMI चलेगा वो चलता रहेगा, वो बंद नहीं होगा. मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस बंद नहीं होगी, बंद तभी होगी जब आदमी बंद होगा, राइट? तो वो चलता रहेगा. सो नेवर एंडिंग है. सोचिए अगर आपका 1 करोड़ रुपए का SIP का बुक अगर इसका खड़ा हो जाता है, विच इज नॉट हैपनिंग नाउ, बस ये आपको इनकम आ रही है. बस कपिल, डेट में इनकम आती है नहीं आती? देखो आ रही है.
मैं भी शॉक हो गया हूँ सर, ये अब तक बेचा क्यों नहीं है?
करेक्ट.
या
एंड आई हैव द SIP. तो मेरा जो SIP चलता है वो शॉर्ट टर्म में चलता है.
ओके.
मैंने ऑल मेडिकल. यार सोचो ना यार, 7.5% मुझे मिल रहा है यार, और मेरे को तो पे करना ही है ना. जनवरी फरवरी के अंदर आता है. अब तो चलो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, नहीं तो पहले साला उनको स्कूल का फीस ये वो 50 चीजें. मार्च में तो इतने खर्चे होते थे कि दिमाग खराब हो जाता था. ये मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव हैज हेल्प मी. नाउ डबल योर SIP बुक. हाउ मेनी मंथ? 6 months, my dear friend. Did I am joking? I'm not joking. Did I have done experiment? Yes, I have done number of experiment, number of partners, and we did it. We have achieved it. Right? Now, how to develop SIP? Kapil, say for example, I'll take you as a partner. I just asked you one, or you can select any of the partner from this group who is having 50 crore or a 30 crore kind of a year, or maybe the, or say suppose you are as a partner, you are having 100 crore of an year, correct? I will going to ask few questions to you. Kapil, what is your SIP, monthly SIP? Say for as a thumb rule, I always say 1 crore. तो बोले सर 100 करोड़ के ऊपर मेरा 1
1 करोड़.
बहुत. Now what is the ATS, average ticket size?
3600 के आसपास आ रहा है.
3600. बहुत अच्छा. करेक्ट. कपिल, मैं आप ही की लोकेशन की बात करता हूँ. चलो छोड़ो, यू आर द पार्टनर ऑफ द पार्टनर्स. करेक्ट. आपका 6 महीने में डबल बुक करता हूं मैं.
ओके.
राइट. आपका डबल बुक करता हूं. चलो अपन वैसे बात. व्हाट इज योर SIP बुक, मंथली बुक फॉर योर रीजन, फॉर योर जोन?
So approximately 80 crores.
80 crore. Correct. What is the ATS?
सर 3600 बताया ना आपको एवरेज.
3600. Fantastic. Correct. And all these 80 crores, if I'm not wrong, it's in a hard work of last
सर आराम
10
से
years.
8 10 साल या
10 साल, 10 years. Right. And your ETS is 3,600. Kapil, if we can work with all these partners within a 6 month, your 80 crore will become 160 crore. Let's try to understand. We have drive the ATS, we have drive the number of years. So any investor, my existing investor I am talking about, मुझे बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है इसको डबल करने के लिए. आपके 80 करोड़ की SIP बुक और 80 करोड़ SIP बुक, I did not required anywhere to go out. Only on your existing customers, only on with your partners who have been having their existing customers, we have to work over. Nothing else. मुझे कहीं बाहर अगला 6 महीना लेट्स टॉक टू एवरी पार्टनर की कहीं नहीं जाना, किसी एक क्लाइंट को पकड़ना ही नहीं. करेक्ट. नाउ so what we have done, we have derived the 3,600 as an ATS, right? So any investor who has been there with us having a SIP of less than 5,000 for the period of 3 or more than 3 years, right? Pull that data out.
Okay.
Right? Pull that data out. Correct? When that data will going to be out, right? Correct? You need to connect with those customers. And you have to tell, say for example, Ujjwal Sharma, who is having an SIP of 5,000, less than 5,000 rupees in your database. You will come to Ujjwal Sharma and you will going to say, Ujjwal Sharma ji, आपकी SIP बंद कर.
Okay.
Mr. Sharma, stop your SIP. I will say, Arey Kapil bhai, why you want to stop my SIP? It's giving 20%, 25% kind of a return. You are saying stop it. Well, sir, the objective for which we have started 3 years back of this 5,000 or whatever the amount of the SIP is being done and it is achieved. Now the next 10 years is the India growth story, and you are being listening across this section that India will going to be the third largest economy. India will going to be have a $7 trillion economy and blah, blah, blah. Correct? If you want to write this 10-year story of India and you want to create a handsome wealth that cannot be achievable with 5,000 rupees. So we need to stop it and we need to restart with rupees 10,000. What is Shiv? Creator. How he create? First he destroy and then he creates.
सर साथ साथ में साइकोलॉजी भी पढ़ लिए क्या?
Right. So what you have said कि आपने मुझे बोला बॉस SIP बंद करो. मैं जैसी बोलूँ SIP बंद, यार एक अच्छा चीज है तुम बंद, बोले yes. Because see again, why I'm saying I'm nothing wrong, because that 5,000, 3,000, 4,000 will not help me to achieve things. Right? So number one, you came to me, asked me to say, boss, SIP stop karo. So there's two things will going to come out from it. I will give you 10,000 rupees of fresh check, or I will give you 5,000 rupees of a fresh check. When I'm going to give you 5,000 rupees of fresh check, बोले सर sorry, चेक तो 10,000 का ही लेके जाना. Because prudent के बाजार के अंदर कार्ड सिस्टम है.
Yes, sir.
राइट. तो मेरे को कार्ड के अंदर 10,000 ही लेके जाना है बॉस. सॉरी. सॉरी. तो क्या करेगा कि ठीक है फिर 10,000 और ले. बिकॉज 3 सालों में मैंने भी पैसा कमाया है, तुमने भी पैसा कमाया है. एवरीबडी हैज अर्न मनी यार. आई एम फार बेटर ऑफ what I was there in 5,000 rupees when I had given you. Correct? And I experimented it also. Right? No problem in that. So I will going to increase my 5,000 to 10,000. That is number one. Now, number two, you came to me, right? Do you think that you will not going to take another customer from me? बस मेरी फैमिली में भी अगर मेरे बड़े भाई साहब का बच्चा है वो भी नौकरी पे लगा ही होगा ना. डोंट यू गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सर और फैमिली में क्या चल रहा है? बिटिया तो बड़ी हो गई, जॉब में आ गई. क्या बोले? हाँ सर बिटिया की SIP चालू नहीं है. करेक्ट. See why I'm telling you, Kapil, what I'm trying to tell you, because this 3,600 or 3,000 rupees SIP, there are a lot of SIP which are less than 5,000 rupees, right? And all these 5,000, less than 5,000 rupees SIP is nothing else but an experiment, right?
Correct.
Was an experiment, right? 100% I'm telling you, this 5,000, less than 5,000 rupees SIP was merely an experiment with the investor. And we have achieved that experiment. We had passed that exam, right? हमने एक आम का पेड़ लगाया था, एक बीज लगाया था. आज उस आम के पेड़ के अंदर फल लग गए हैं बॉस. अब वो हाफूज आम आपको खाना है कि कोई दूसरा तोड़ के खाए, वो सोचना। सो माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, ऑल पार्टनर्स हु आर देयर इन दिस कॉल, ये संडे कुछ मत करो, कपिल भाई को परेशान करो, अच्छी तरीके से कपिल भाई को परेशान करो और उनको बोलो हमारा एटीएस और जितने भी कस्टमर हमारे 5,000 से कम की एसआईपी बुक वाले हैं, उन सब का नाम नंबर दो, सालों सबकी एसआईपी बंद करें।
फंड बाजार में सर और पार्टनर डेस्क में एक क्लिक में आ जाएगा।
हमको वो सब एसआईपी को क्लोज करा, जो भी हमने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था 3 साल पहले का, 2 साल पहले का, वो एक्सपेरिमेंट हमारा सक्सेसफुल हो गया है। नाउ वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ टू से दैट कि बॉस आप 10,000 20,000 कर सकते। एंड आई हैव गिवन यू द फॉर्मूला व्हाट शुड बी योर राइट एसआईपी अमाउंट आल्सो, बिलीव मी, that you can use when you are doing a conversation with the customer. Correct, Kapil, if I'm not wrong.
करेक्ट सर, 100%।
So, बॉस ये करो ना यार, मुझे क्यों अभी बाहर जाना है? एंड आई कैन टेल यू दिस इज अ 6 मंथ ऑफ, कभी आप आनंद में जाएंगे, एक पार्टनर है जिनका 1.5 करोड़ का एसआईपी था, मैं 6 महीने पहले, मेरा सबसे पहला मीटिंग उधर ही हुआ था, आई मेट विद हिम, ही सेड दैट कि उज्जवल जी मुझे तो मेरी उम्मीद है कि बस ये 10 करोड़ का एसआईपी का बुक हो जाए मेरा मंथली, दैट वाज माय ड्रीम। सो मैंने कहा सर व्हाई डोंट यू कट शॉर्ट दिस ड्रीम टू डबल योर एसआईपी बुक इन नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ। ही स्टार्टेड लाफिंग ऑन मी, बोले उज्जवल जी व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट। मैंने कहा सर कैन यू ऑफर मी अ नाइट डिनर, बोले यस। सो मैंने कहा टेक दिस थ्री थिंग, टेक आउट दिस थ्री थिंग, आई विल कम इन द नाइट एंड आई विल इंश्योर दैट इन नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ। बोले फिर आप आओ डिनर क्यों। मैंने कहा वेजिटेरियन हूँ, प्योर वेजिटेरियन और प्योर बेहतरीन खाना खाऊंगा, घर का खाना खाऊंगा, बाहर से कुछ नहीं लाया। बोले डन। आई हैव बीन इनवाइटेड इज होम, आनंद के अंदर उनके घर पे गया, खाना खाया, रात को मैंने बैठा, आज उनका 4.5 करोड़ का एसआईपी का बुक। आई कैन गिव यू हिज नंबर, टॉक टू हिम। ये रहा आपका एसआईपी बुक, एनआईएफ में एयूएन, इतना एसआईपी बुक इंडस्ट्री एक पार्टनर का है। आई जस्ट टेकन आउट वन वन पार्टनर, और मैं कुछ मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आपके सामने है। 11 करोड़ का इनका एसआईपी का बुक।
एंड व्हाट इज दिस टोटल एम सर?
ऊपर है ना, इंडस्ट्री एसआईपी बुक है इनकी 49,153। करेक्ट। नाउ Kapil, I have showed you, this is the end of my presentation. I have showed you the office, the beautiful office, and the beautiful car. Correct? Can we achieve it? Yes, we can achieve. The only thing is that we need to correct two things. 100 SIP per month. Very simple calculation. 75 पैसे का ट्रेल लिया है, ज्यादा तो नहीं लिया मैंने, right? 100 SIP per month. Again, the objective is that 10,000 rupees from per customer, nothing less than that, right? That should be the logic behind, correct? What I have expected that in next 6 years, the market, the SIP will only give you 10% return. Market will give you 10% return, correct? Your monthly earning in the 6th year will be 18 lakh rupees, correct? So now the choice of recruiting, you said na कि sir कब बंदा रखें, कब बंदा रखें, आंसर इज हियर। आपके कोई भी पार्टनर मेरे को भी रख सकते हैं।
मतलब ये प्रैक्टिकल अभी सच में जोक हो गया है। वी इवन हैव द रियल एस्टेट सेक्शन, यू नो दैट ना, वी सेल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑल्सो। तो आजकल हम लोग प्रॉपर्टीज को, पार्टनर्स को इवेंट कराते हैं, कोई रियल एस्टेट का नया प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च होता है तो दिखाने के लिए कि आपने क्लाइंट्स को बताओ और बेचो करके। तो बेचना तो बहुत दूर की बात हो गया, खरीदना चालू कर दिया इन लोगों ने।
मैं वही बता रहा हूँ, आपके सामने है। तो
यस।
मैं लिख कर दे सकता हूँ, आई कैन गिव यू इन रिटर्न, I can give you in return, Kapil. All my partners I can give you in return. Only we need to focus this much. If we able to focus this much, a lot of my partners here in this group will having the question, boss Ujjwal ji bolna आसान है. I agree with that. But whatever you are being today and whatever is the prudent today, if you can ask Sanjay Bhai in 2002, can you dream 1 लाख करोड़ आपका ईएम होगा? उनको पता नहीं। ये इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी है। हाँ, बाजार नहीं है, मैंने आपको बाजार भी दिखा दिया। आई हैव शोन यू द मार्केट, राइट? आई हैव शोन यू द मार्केट, करेक्ट? और ये इंडस्ट्री बॉस, $7 ट्रिलियन अगर आपका जीडीपी हो जाएगा, टुडे यू हैव पर कैपिटा जीडीपी इज $2,400. At least by 2030, Indian population will have an average GDP per capita will be close to 4,500. My dear friends, you are business in infinite. अगर आपका 10 करोड़ का ईएम है, कुछ मत करो, घर बैठ जाओ, सो जाओ, 100 करोड़ का अपने आप हो जाएगा 10 साल में। Correct. So this is the end. So you might require a person to have this 100 SIP. You can do also 100 SIP. You can start with 50 SIP kind of a target. Boss, गर्मी लग गई कपिल आपको? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Correct, dear
Sir,
friends.
yeah,
So
yeah.
if I'm not wrong, the Mercedes which I have shown you, it is available at the EMI of rupees 1 lakh per month. So after 6 months, you have an 18 lakh rupees of income. 1 lakh rupees can easily be given for the EMI for the Mercedes. The office, what I have shown you, is probably available at the rent of 1 lakh rupees per month. So out of that 1 lakh, again, you can pay. And if you have 5 employees to whom you are paying 1 lakh rupees, or despite that, you have 10 lakh rupees in your pocket every month. Yeah. Correct?
Correct,
किसी
sir.
पार्टनर ने पूछा मेरे से, किसी पार्टनर्स ने ऐसी जोक में पूछा, यार उज्जवल जी, इज इट पॉसिबल? सो आई जस्ट शेयर्ड विद देम वन थिंग, कि मैंने कहा हरिवंश राय बच्चन साहब एक बड़ी अच्छी कविता बोल के गए। हरिवंश राय बच्चन साहब एक बहुत अच्छी कविता बोल के गए हैं। उसका केवल एक सारांश आपको मैं बताऊंगा। राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, पा जाएगा मधुशाला, पा जाएगा मधुशाला, पा जाएगा। This is Kapil, what we are offering. That boss, if you want to grow with India growth story, you want to connect with the India growth story, I think these are the 5 sectoral or thematic fund which is being offered there from Nippon India Mutual Fund, and every fund have a 20 years of history except one, which is Innovation Fund, right? So you can capture 10,000 rupees single investment in a single form, or maybe you can plan a cart in your fund bazaar of all these 5 funds, offering to the client once, and 10,000 has been done. And this grow with India concept can work with only 10,000 rupees. Kapil, I met with one of the partners in a very small town. He said that उज्जवल जी, आजकल मैंने म्यूचुअल फंड बेचना बंद कर दिया। मैंने कहा क्यों? मतलब म्यूचुअल फंड पे इतना फोकस नहीं है। मैंने कहा सर क्यों, क्या रीजन? और उनका 500 करोड़ का ईएम है। मैंने कहा सर क्यों? तो ही सेड दैट कि बोले आजकल मैं एआई फॉर पीएमएस बेचता। बोले क्यों? बोले यार मुझे उतना ही टाइम लगाना पड़ता है। करेक्ट। वो 5 लाख 10 लाख रुपए देता है, मैं एआईएफ देता हूं तो वो चाह के भी मुझे 49 लाख नहीं दे सकता और 99 लाख नहीं दे सकता, उसको 1 करोड़ ही देना। मैंने अगर उसको पीएमएस दिया है तो वो चाह के भी 49 लाख नहीं दे सकता, उसको 50 लाख रुपीज ही दे। आज खत्म। तो इफ आई So I can tell you, partners, when you go to the investors, sir, if you want to join the India growth story, I have a very good combo for you that is called Grow with India. And this Grow with India connect with you the actual India story which going to be talk about. Every fund manager, if you talk about, is talking about, power and infra and manufacturing, which is Nippon India Power Fund. Pharma is a bigger story, boss. We are the youngest population and we will be the oldest population in the world, right? We are the pharmacy of the world today, correct? So I can expect at least next 20, 30 years, 20% CAGR in pharma is very well expected. और बॉस आपका जैसा पर कैपिटा इनकम इंक्रीज होगा, योर you know going toward the best of the best medicine will always be available. Consumption, India is a consumption story, boss. So today, if you are at $2,500 per capita income, when you're by 2030, your per capita GDP will be $4,500. Boss, you can assume what will be the consumption. The consumption story is unlimited. Banking is what? Is the HCF, highest common factor among all these sectors. करेक्ट. सो ये तो अगर $60 ट्रिलियन का वहां होगा, सो 1,75,000 करोड़ का लेंडिंग बुक है बैंक्स का, एक्स ऑफ एनबीएफसी, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. जब आपका $60 ट्रिलियन का इकोनॉमी होगा तो ये 3 लाख करोड़ का होगा, 3.5 लाख करोड़. When it will be a 3.5 lakh crore kind of a lending book, boss, what will be the benefit to the bank? Correct. The last but not the least, Nippon India Innovation Fund, fantastic fund. केवल 30 स्टॉक का पोर्टफोलियो है. द फोकस इज ओनली टू इन्वेस्ट into the company who are spending into GDP in the R&D, research and development, who are been focusing on innovation. Because आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा हो, लेकिन अगर आपने उसको बेचा तरीके से, लाइक द बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज या जीरोदा, राइट. प्रोडक्ट वही है, वही ब्रोकिंग है, खत्म कर दिया बाकी पार्टनर्स. करेक्ट. तो इनोवेशन विल गोइंग टू गिव यू इमेंस ग्रोथ. तो अगर आपका मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट आएगा अगले 10 सालों में, तो उन कंपनीज में आएगा हु आर बीन very well focused into that. And when you see the portfolio of Nippon India Innovation Fund, my dear friends, to every one of you, you will not find it in any other. Your overlapping is the minimal in this. So with this simple one thing you will have, and this is the journey of this all funds what I'm talking about. So all have the 20 years of history. So 2 crore का रिटर्न बना के दिया है. SIP का जो आपके सामने है, 24 लाख 1.4 करोड़ हो गया, 24 लाख 1.7 पावर एंड इंफ्रा, राइट. Almost Nippon Pharma, the oldest pharma fund, the first pharma fund of the industry, the first pharma fund. Banking, the first banking fund of the industry. Consumption, the first consumption fund. It was launched as media entertainment fund, if I'm not wrong, right. We're having a 20 years of history, boss. Almost every fund is giving a CAGR of 17 to 19% for last 20. और अगले 10 साल में यही सब होना है और होना है. These are our other funds which have been doing great. I just thought I'll take this opportunity to share with you all. So Nippon India Growth Fund, I just met with one of the industry best person, a very well, veteran of the industry, right? He said, यार उज्जवल, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता ये एएमसी वाले फंड क्यों लॉन्च करते हैं. व्हाई दे लॉन्च डिफरेंट फंड. यार तुम्हारे निप्पॉन इंडिया ग्रोथ फंड को अगर पकड़ के बैठ जाता आदमी, तो आज 4,000 के ऊपर की एनएवी हो गई. तुमको लार्ज कैप, मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप इनोवेशन फंड लॉन्च करने की जरूरत क्या है. करेक्ट. So this is what he said. I'm just saying. So this is what our investment. This is what 34 lakh rupees become 25 lakhs. Again, Nippon Growth Fund is the best example. I think it's an example that everyone shares, every AMC share with their investors. Launched in 1995. At the end, we all are financial sarthi. So when I just want to conclude, help and select the correct asset class. So what is right for me, that should right for my customer. Help plan your financial goal well. So I'm not talking about financial goal only what is being there, what we talk about, wealth creation, retirement, wo to hai. You have a lot of other financial. Monitor the progress. That is what one of the important thing. Why I'm saying monitor the progress, because 3 साल बाद उस कस्टमर को मिलो जो आज आपका 5,000 रुपए का है. बॉस वो छोटा नहीं है. He is not small, believe me. What I've learned in my marketing, boss, there's a very good saying in the marketing, boss. The best organization is the only that organization who had made their customer their employee. Has a habit to know the product more. And the most important, boss, what is our role? Keep the investor financial behavior in check. That is अपना सबसे बड़ा रोल ही जो उसका फाइनेंशियल बिहेवियर. एंड आई बिलीव मी, बिहेवियर इज सेम whether it's a 1,000 crore investor or 100 crore or 1 crore rupees, because nobody want to lose money here. Okay? So plan IPs, कैसे बनाना है बॉस? जितना आईपीएस करो बॉस। आप मुझे बताइए, आप अपने, आप जिस भी लोकेशन में रहे, वहां के पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में जाकर आए, वहां के जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स हैं वहां गए, वहां के जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज है, नगर निगम का ऑफिस है बॉस, कितना पैसा खाते हैं, मतलब कितना पैसा कमाते हैं, सॉरी, सबका अच्छा अच्छा सैलरी है। करेक्ट यार बॉस, उनको वेल्थ क्रिएट नहीं करनी क्या बॉस? डू दी आईपीएस। आईपीएस नहीं होती कि वहां पे लंच कराना है, डिनर कराना है बॉस, लंच डिनर नहीं है। I just tell you, one of the partner in Bombay, Kapil, whenever you come to Bombay or any of your partner is coming to Bombay, I'll take him to that partner. बॉस उसने अभी 10,000 स्क्वायर फीट का ऑफिस लिया है थाने के अंदर। 10,000 स्क्वायर फीट का ऑफिस लिया। 30 people are working with him, right? He charge 500 rupees to every investor। हर सैटरडे को, मंथ के अंदर एक सैटरडे को आईपी करता है, हस्बैंड वाइफ को दोनों को बुलाता है और 500 रुपया चार्ज करता है। एंड ही इज डूइंग फॉर लास्ट सो मेनी ईयर्स। 1,700 करोड़ का ईओ में हूँ, और बोले मेरा टारगेट अगले 6 साल में 10,000 करोड़ का ईओ ले जाना। करेक्ट। कम आउट फ्रॉम 80-20 रूल्स। हम कब तक वो 20% अच्छे कस्टमर बॉस, वो 80% वालों के पास बहुत है। लेट्स गेट इन टू दैट, इंक्रीज द वॉलेट शेयर। एज वॉट आई सेड, गोल इज नॉट ओनली दिस, एंड अबव ऑल, you as a Sarthi in your investors wealth creation journey will make the difference, and you will going to make that difference. So this is what I want to say. Last but not the least, systematic investment plan sahi
तो फिर टी शर्ट चेंज करना पड़ेगा क्या?
systematic investment plan sahi. Thank you for your time. Thanks a lot, Kapil. Now
Thank
I'm
you,
going to
Ujjwal.
give
Thank
the
you for the
closing.
wonderful presentation. Thank you, Chandu, for giving this opportunity. Guys, you can unmute yourself directly if you want to ask any questions. We usually don't get the chance to meet such great people. तो जितना पूछना है पूछ लो. This is the time. If anybody wants to ask any questions, they can unmute themselves. If you are not able to unmute yourself, you can just raise your hand and then unmute yourself. Monica, just check whether you can unmute. Kabari, just check whether you are able to unmute yourself.
Yeah,
Yes,
possible,
yes.
possible.
Yes.
हो रहा है सर.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Guys, any questions, please feel free to ask.
Boss, question कुछ है ही नहीं. There should be no question. Question is only that we have to recruit people. We have to
Ujjwal ji,
train
I
people.
had one question.
Yeah, Rao साहब बोलिए. Yes, yes. Please
You
go
are
ahead.
telling if even if the returns are negative, you want us to continue the same SIP for long period.
Absolutely.
But some of the people who are in the industry from since decades, they are telling if it is not working good, you shift to some other good fund. They are telling like that, which is
Rao
correct.
Saab, if I have seen the entire 30-45 minutes, what I have
Okay,
talked what I have used with me, right?
right,
And
right.
shared you one of the best example of my, one of the biggest loss, and I had converted from that particular scheme. And
Okay,
that particular scheme has not given, that was not the best performing scheme in the IT side, in the IT
okay,
sector side,
okay, okay.
right? Despite that, I got the best return. So what I'm trying to say and what the data is trying to say, see the data which I've used, Rao
Okay.
Saab, I've not used about any mutual fund, right?
Okay.
I've used the industry. I've used
Okay,
the
okay,
BSE
right.
Sensex.
Right,
Correct?
right. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Then.
Rao Saab, हाँ कुछ अच्छा है. मैंने आपको बताया ना एक ही चीज. What is the best return and the worst return what industry have
Yes, yes.
generated over last
I
30 years?
got it. I got it. No problem.
Yes, खत्म कहानी. अब 16% भी आपके लिए छोटा है तो मैं कह नहीं सकता कुछ.
Okay, okay. Then I got your point, please.
राव साहब, डबल करना है एसआईपी, करेंगे नहीं करेंगे?
Thank you very much. Right, right.
अरे मैं कह रहा हूँ डबल
We'll,
एसआईपी
we'll,
करना है.
we'll try. We'll try.
नॉट ट्राई, वी विल डू सर, वी
We
विल
will
डू.
do it. Okay, okay,
यस.
right.
आपका
Thank
मेरे
you.
को ऑफिस देखना है जैसा मैंने दिखाया पिक्चर में.
Thank you, sir. Right.
आई थिंक सब लोग अभी एक अलग ट्रांस में चले गए हैं. सबके एसआईपी बुक पढ़ना है. So I think people are might not be in a stage, but the best part is almost 99% of the partners have stayed till the end, till जब तक आपने thank you नहीं बोला है. So I think that's a very very positive sign for any speaker and any motivator. कि बहुत सर अच्छा, I really enjoyed this discussion sir. Hope इसका part 2 part 3 आप जल्दी बना लोगे, so people will be ready with the next book.
कपिल, आपका और हमारा काम केवल एक ही है, पार्टनर को स्ट्रेंथन करना है, उनके जो वो नहीं देख रहे हैं. सी अर्जुन वॉज ए वेरी गुड फाइटर, राइट? कृष्ण भगवान ने जो उसकी शक्ति थी वो उसको बताया.
Correct.
सो लॉट ऑफ पार्टनर्स लाइक राव साहब बोले कि करूंगा, अरे आप में स्ट्रेंथ है, आप कर रहेंगे, सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं. सो वी नीड टू पुश राव साहब एंड नंबर ऑफ पीपल लाइक दैट. उनका वो ऑफिस, उनका वो कार, उनका वो ड्रीम, और वो उनका ड्रीम नहीं है, दैट्स अ ड्रीम ऑफ द एंटायर नेशन. Because if
Sir, I
wealth
have
is
one
coming,
question. I
sir,
sorry to interrupt. This
sir,
Nilesh here. So आपने ये बोला, but you know the industry we are reading on the papers and all, अभी 40% ऊपर direct customers खुद ही जा रहे हैं investing के लिए. इतना awareness हो गया
सर,
है.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली.
नहीं
बहुत
तो
अच्छी
इतना
बात.
सारा
I've just
expenses
shared you
बढ़ा
one
के
of the example of, sorry sir.
इतना सब कुछ हम लोग बढ़ा देते हैं, ऑफिस टीम ये सब करा देते हैं. न्यू एंट्रेंट्स आर कमिंग इन, जियो इज कमिंग इन, ब्लैक रॉक इज कमिंग इन, एंड आई एम श्योर कि लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल बी अवेयर कि डायरेक्ट प्लान्स आर गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिशियल. आई एम फेसिंग दैट प्रॉब्लम विद अ लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर्स हु आर विद मी सिंस 5-6 years. Now they tell me, Nilesh, our AUM is 4 crores, 5 crores, we want to go direct now. तो इट इज बिकमिंग अ चैलेंज टू एक्चुअली. छोटे क्लाइंट्स के लिए ठीक है, 5-10-20 हजार का एसआईपी ठीक है, but when they get to a certain size and critical mass, because we have educated them so much, they are okay to go direct now. तो ये हैंडल
Sir,
कैसे
can I
करें?
know your name, sir? Can I know your
My
name?
name is Nilesh.
Nilesh sir, thank you for asking this a wonderful question, and I think your concern is right. What I understand, sir, so far so now, the people who are going direct, right, with any of the app which are available today, what they will going to get is the best product available in the market in the direct way if they go, right? But when they come through a partner like you or number of people who are connected today with us, what you will going to give them is the product which going to be best. So money will going to be generated in the product which going to be best, not which is best today.
नहीं
That
जैसे
is what
आपने
my
बताया,
experience. That
देखो
is what one thing. That was one answer to your question. So I always believe as an investor, I also have my entire AUM with one of my friend who is the IFA like you, and he's managing a lot of other people money also, right? Even my CEO is also having a partner like you, and he is managing his money. So probably I personally believe so that I'm in Bombay, still a lot of people who have a huge amount of AUM, they prefer and they do with the partners only. And when the AUM has grown, then they form their own family offices, and even that family offices they required big firms to manage them. So I personally believe that somewhere maybe there are a lot of partners, maybe there are customers who understand कि यार मैं तो direct चला जा. I can bet you, sir, when they go direct, after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year of experience, because I'm just again telling you what he will going to get from the market when he go direct, he get the best. But which is best will not remain best. Then he will come to you.
नहीं तो the question
Again, what I'm talking about is you are not only advising mutual fund. We have to increase the wallet share where it should be connected with lot of other things. So IFA business is not about mutual fund. IFA business is not about SIP. IFA business about everything from life insurance to general insurance to his family planning, from succession planning, lot of things.
नहीं आपने भी बताया कि एक पार्टनर आईएपी करते तो he charges 500 rupees for
हाँ, he
everyone to
charges
come.
500 rupees.
हाँ तो the thing is कि I don't know when this trail commission business is going to end and where we will get into an advisory fee based charge kind of model.
तो वो तो सर again sir, नहीं सर वो this is all
Just a
depend
thought
upon.
है, just a long shot thinking in terms of how to grow it. तो इतना खर्चा बढ़ा के it should become viable ना if you
सर
start losing business.
खर्चा आपको लगता है बढ़ेगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि जो आपको AUM का जो आपको मल्टीप्लायर ग्रोथ मिलेगा, मैंने आपको जो उसमें दिखाया है, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
वो
Mm-hmm.
खर्चा कम नहीं।
Okay.
मेरे का अगर सी सिंपल से सर, अगर मैंने एक बंदा आपने सेल साइड में रखा, वो अगर 50 SIP, अगर आप उसको हेल्प करते हो, 50 SIP लेकर आता है 10,000 रुपये, राइट? कोई बात नहीं, पहला 2 महीना 3 महीना नहीं कर पाएगा, करेक्ट, बट ओवर द पीरियड
नहीं
ऑफ
नहीं, मैं
टाइम।
अपनी बात वैसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ सर। आई एम जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी जियो और ब्लैक रॉक आ रहे हैं, कल उन्होंने प्रूडेंट जैसी कंपनी बाय कर ली। आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, एनजी जैसी कंपनी, दे हैव द मसल पावर, बैंड पावर टू डू इट, एंड दे डोंट बिलीव इन गिविंग द कमीशंस और ट्रेल्स उसमें। तो व्हाट हैपेंस, हमने तो बिजनेस करके ग्रो करके दे दिया।
नहीं नहीं सर, मैं आपको बड़ा, आपने बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा। और ऐसे ही किसी ने, जब ये ब्लैक रॉक का एड आया था ना, जब जियो एंड ब्लैक रॉक बोथ है पार्टनर, and I
हाँ।
was been traveling a lot of places, so a lot of people have asked the same question as what you have asked. So I said them कि बॉस, ये कोई जियो का नेटवर्क नहीं है जो आप फ्री में किसी को दे दो, राइट?
ओके।
Here the returns matter. Here the return matters. अगर आप रिटर्न देंगे आपको पैसा मिलेगा, आप रिटर्न नहीं देंगे आपको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा, whether you are BlackRock, whether you are Zio or whatever. So this is not a commodity business, it is a long haul business, and this is a business where cannot be taken by somebody and can do that. Yes or नहीं?
नहीं
Because
नहीं, आई
आप,
होप सो ऐसा ना हो, ऐसा ना
नहीं
हो,
हो
हम
ही
भी।
नहीं सकता है सर। मैं सर, मैं तो खुद इस 25 सालों से और अगले 25 साल का मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि जो मैं बिजनेस समझता हूँ इसको,
हम्म।
ब्रोकिंग। सर मुझे एक चीज बताइए सर, आज बाजार में आप प्रॉपर्टी डील करते हैं, नो ब्रोकर है, ये है वो है, कितने हैं,
हाँ।
कितने हैं? मेरे को आज भी फ्लैट लेना है साला, मुझे किसी को भी फ्लैट दिलाना भी होता है, अगर कोई मेरा फ्रेंड आता है बॉम्बे में ही सेट है, मैं रो धो के मैं किसी पार्टनर के पास ही जाता हूँ, अरे यार बॉस मेरा फ्रेंड आया, कैन यू हेल्प मी गेट द फ्लैट?
नहीं नहीं, ये बात हो रही है क्योंकि अभी 40% प्लस अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट एसआईपी का डायरेक्ट से हो गया है, पेपर्स में ऐड आ
डायरेक्ट
रही
हो
है।
गया बिकॉज वी आर नॉट रीचिंग, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग,
हाँ
दैट्स
तो
व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, दैट वी
हाँ,
आर नॉट
वो वी
रीचिंग।
आर नॉट रीचिंग, करेक्ट, वो भी हो सकता
यस,
है,
वी
बट
आर नॉट
लोग
रीचिंग।
खुद
मैंने
ही जा रहे
गोरखपुर
हैं।
वाला एग्जांपल बताया, दैट्स अ लाइव
हाँ हाँ
एग्जांपल।
हाँ हाँ, सो दैट कुड बी द रीजन ऑल्सो, या।
वी आर नॉट रीचिंग।
कितना
is
पहुंचेंगे
it
सर
is
हमें?
it is it is it my elder's brother's son get connected, or any of the partner in his JP Morgan organization has connected with him?
नहीं नहीं, अभी एक्चुअली ये म्यूचुअल फंड सही है के साथ साथ एडवाइजर भी सही है, जरूर ये करके आना चाहिए।
है ही वो, तो मैं तो हमेशा बोलता हूँ ना सर, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
हाँ।
सेइंग। सो इन ऑल माय प्रेजेंटेशन व्हेन आई डू IIPs, when I
हम्म।
do IIPs, I say only one thing, that when you go direct you will get the best product, but when you come through a partner you will
हम्म।
going to get a product which going to be best. That's the underlying thing what I
ओके, चलिए, लेट्स कीप आवर फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, बट थैंक यू फॉर द
absolutely
वंडरफुल
sir.
इनसाइट।
Sir, this is infinite business, I am again telling you,
I hope
this
so,
is
sir. We have
infinite
been
business.
blessed. So thank you so much for the
Thank you very
opportunity
much.
and very lovely presentation. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much sir, thank you very much.
थैंक यू नीरज सर।
सर नमस्कार, नरेंद्र बोल रहा हूँ मैं।
क्या नरेश जी, नमस्कार।
नरेंद्र सर,
हाँ
शुरू
नरेश।
से लेकर अभी तक आपका प्रेजेंटेशन देखा, वो जोश तो देख के मेरे को भी 100% जोश का ऑलरेडी था, बहुत ही होश आवाज से जोश आ गया। ये जो आपने कहा डेफिनेटली होना है सर, नो डाउट। बट हम लोगों को क्या फील होता है कि जो क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा मिल रहा, बहुत खुश है। हालांकि सागर में इतना पानी है कि उसमें से अगर एक बूंद भी निकाल ले तो बहुत हो जाएगा, वो कंसेप्ट है। और ये क्या बोलते हैं, जो जो आपने सजेस्ट दिया वो डेफिनेटली होना है, गारंटी के साथ। कुछ करो या ना करो, वो होना है, सिर्फ बढ़ना ही है। मैं शुरू किया 500 रुपए की सिप देने में डरता था, अभी 1 लाख रुपए की भी सिप देने में कंफर्टेबली दे
सुपर
देता हूँ मैं।
सुपर।
और
बिकॉज
वो
सर वेल्थ
नंबर,
1 लाख से ही बनेगा।
हाँ, नहीं नहीं वो नहीं, मैं छोटा भी है तो 1000 रुपए
हाँ
5000 वाला भी दे देता हूँ मैं, ऐसा नहीं करता
बिल्कुल
हूँ,
बिल्कुल।
डिपेंड ऑन जो पूरा चूज करके। तो मेरा
करेक्ट।
भी टारगेट है कि भाई मैं 100 करोड़ एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल कर लूं, और सारे पार्टनर लोगों को भी इंटरेक्ट होता हूँ, मोटिवेट करता हूँ, जितना बना लो, सागर है पानी निकाल लो भाई, कि नहीं क्या?
सर
तो हाँ प्लीज सर।
टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, मैं एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी मेरे को, एक नई टीम आई थी वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट की, किसी बड़े फर्म की, किसी बड़े बैंक की। सो मेरे को उन्होंने बोला कि उज्जवल जी एक आके थोड़ा सा फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के ऊपर जो शेयर दी प्रेजेंटेशन। एट द एंड मैंने सबको एक ही चीज बोली कि देखो, अगर कोई गंगा के किनारे खड़ा होके अगर प्यासा मर जाए तो उसमें भगवान की गलती नहीं है, उस आदमी की गलती।
Good
जैसे
one.
आपने
That's a
बोला
good
ना,
one.
सागर है। अब यार अगर अपन नहीं कर पाए, सागर से नहीं बाल्टी भर पाए, बाल्टी भर रहे हैं तो हमारी हमारी एबिलिटी है। हम ग्लास भर रहे हैं, वो हमारी एबिलिटी है। हम टुल्लू में पानी ले रहे हैं, वो हमारी एबिलिटी। So this is
तो
all depend upon.
कहने का मतलब सागर में से पानी निकाल निकाल के उसको सिप करवाओ और पैसे उसको
Yes,
क्रिएट कराओ, सिंपल।
yes.
उसके पास
बूंद बूंद
सागर
से
है,
सागर बनता है सर।
उसके नहीं, उसके पास सागर है, पैसे बहुत है। लोग बोलते हैं पैसे नहीं है, दे हैव ए लॉट ऑफ मनी। एक छोटा चाय वाला गारंटी के साथ 1000 से 5000 कमा रहा है। अमीर का तो कोई लिमिट ही नहीं है। तो पैसे आ सकते हैं, पर वी हैव टू डाई लगाना उसके अंदर, निकालने हीरे
Absolutely.
मोती निकालने जैसा वो, क्या।
अगेन मेरे को सर हमेशा, मैं कभी भी डिमोटिवेटेड होता हूँ तो हरिवंश राय बच्चन साहब की ये कविता मैं
वो तो
हमेशा
ग्रेट है।
हमेशा
यस।
मैं दोबारा से आपकी इसी स्टेटमेंट को उसी कविता से बोलूंगा। राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, पा जाएगा मधुशाला, पा जाएगा।
मधुशाला नहीं सर, हमारे पास तो करोड़ों रुपए आएंगे सर। इंडिया ग्रोथ स्टोरी, मधुशाला में तो उड़ान जाएंगे, यहाँ तो हम तो करोड़ों बनाएंगे।
सर
और लोगों को
मधुशाला
अमृत
का उसका
अमृत
उद्देश्य
ना ना,
दूसरा था।
वो मालूम है, आई नो दैट। अमृत काल में लेके जाएंगे, सबको अमृत पिलाएंगे,
अब
है
सर
क्या नहीं वो
सैटरडे का
तो।
दिन है, शाम हो रही है तो वो याद आ रहा है
थैंक
मेरे
यू,
को।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू,
I think,
थैंक यू सर, मोटिवेट।
thank you, Narendra ji. Sandeep
थैंक
ji,
यू।
you have some questions. You raised your hand. Sandeep Kamble ji, आपने
हाँ
hand
सर।
raise किया.
सर थैंक यू उज्जवल जी, आपने जो एग्जांपल दिया ना, ये मैं वाला, आप जैसे बात कर रहे थे ना, उसी टाइम में मेरा एक डील चल रहा था कुछ 1.5 करोड़ का, ये हाउसिंग लोन का। प्राइमरीली उसका
हम्म।
ईएमआई भी 1 लाख तक जाने वाला था, 1 लाख समथिंग।
ओके।
तो मैंने वही आपका जो प्रेजेंटेशन था ना, उसमें मुझे एसआईपी का उसको भेज दिया, 1 लाख का एसआईपी करना पड़ेगा।
फैंटास्टिक,
आपने जो
फैंटास्टिक,
आइडिया दिया ना, रियली गुड।
फैंटास्टिक।
आपने
थैंक यू
पता
संदीप
है
जी,
बहुत
थैंक
अच्छे।
यू, थैंक यू
और
संदीप जी,
जो सही है, सही है।
थैंक
थैंक
यू
यू
सर।
सर।
अब संदीप जी, अब
कपिल
संदीप
कपिल
जी,
कपिल साहब, ये सर को ऑल द टाइम महीने में एक बार दो बार बुलाया करो, ऐसा जोश चाहिए कुछ करके दिखाने के लिए। वो ऑर्डिनरी
चंद्रशेखर,
अंदर
देख लो. संदीप जी, अब एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, हाँ, एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. संदीप जी, यू आर देयर.
हाँ।
कौन सा फंड बेचा?
अरे नहीं 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 नहीं
वो
नहीं
नहीं,
नहीं,
स्कीम नहीं उन्होंने दिया
कपिल
था
जी,
ना सर, पूरा।
कपिल
उसको 1 लाख
कपिल जी,
तक के लेके जाना है,
पहले
उसका
मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि रिपोर्ट बेचा कि
एलिजिबिलिटी उसका
रिपोर्ट
1
मिल
लाख
जाएगी वापस.
है। तो उसको वो भेज दिया मैंने जनरल, 1 लाख का ऐसा भी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि राइट नाउ ही इज अर्निंग 5 लाख रुपीज पर मंथ।
ओह, ग्रेट.
हाँ, दैट्स व्हाई।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही अच्छा, ग्रेट।
क्योंकि वैसे में तो ईएमआई भरने वाला ₹1 लाख का आदमी।
नहीं नहीं, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा, नथिंग।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू संदीप जी,
कपिल
थैंक यू
सर,
वेरी मच।
आप कुछ नए नए लाते हो।
थैंक यू वेरी
तो
मच।
उसी का पगार मिलता है हमको.
अरे
Thank you guys. Any
थैंक यू
question?
सर।
If not, उज्जवल जी, really बहुत मजा आया. Thank you very much. And I hope we will meet all the partners once again monthly. At least महीने में एक बार अगर टाइम निकाल सको हमारे लिए, तो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा सर. Thank you
Thank you,
Chandrasekhar for
thank you,
organizing
thank you
this.
everyone,
Really
thank you
thank you.
everyone with the folded hand. Thank you everyone. I still believe that we are the Sarthi. We all are. Whoever so is here is a Krishna basically. They have this certain thing of Krishna Bhagwan into them, and that's why we are into this business, or else we are into other business.
Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Happy
sir.
weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Kapil
you,
sir. Thank you,
Ujjwal
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.